fine. It's on. It's on.
Are you filming me?
No, just the car.
Oh, okay. You're supposed to film me.
I don't know shit.
Okay, so first you move from bump, remove from bump, remove from, remove from, remove from, remove from, remove from, remove from. And then there's screws in the corners, and I just have these rubber band things. But once you take the screws out in corners, they pull off.
Brain cells. Just kidding. Now you're gonna have just a bunch of my dumbass audio in it, because all I'm gonna do is say stupid shit.
So then you pull the things off, and then after that's pulled off, you pull the front. It'll still have pop clips on the thing. Yep, that's what I said. On the bottom, this comes off by 2 pop clips. Yep. And then you could just like pull it out from out of the corners of these. I have these cut, so it just pulls out easier. But yeah, that's that. And then you'll have a grill. I don't have a grill right now. Cooking on the grill.
I don't know, you're definitely not a chef.
On the
that's
barbie.
for sure.
That's true. That was burnt on something. So yeah, then the grill will be here, and then there'll be a bolt there and a bolt there, and they're just like a hex bolt. You take those off, and those, like that. And you can like, and you just like, once you got that shit done, you just pull that on both sides, open it up, and then bam, it's like hanging on by the pop clips now. Look at that, 80. That's good. All right, so it looks like that's one of them on the far corner, and then there's another one up under here. Just as I suspected. Hold on, and then you might need an extension, extender, and hopefully, yep. And then it's just right under the headlight. Once I can put this over it. Yes. That sounds beautiful. And I think there's probably, oh yeah, there's another bolt there.
Cheat. I don't even know.
There might be another. And then the other one's here.
Expert.
This crusty ass bolt. This one's next.
Make that face. No.
Yeah, this is the 5th bolt. I found it. It just never ends.
Ben filmed me. You told me to.
You take this bracket off.
Yeah.
And that allows more room. And that ugly ass headlight. Well, the bulb just fell out.
That's pretty cool.
This is the daytime. This is the nighttime. The normies call it the low beam. The experts call it the nighttime lighty. Take the headlight out, or housing out.
Attempting.
Alright, you can cut it. We don't need to film it. And then, wait, are you filming it?
Yes.
Oh, why are you filming it that direction? And we got the halos.
Adam Sandler skater.
Welcome to my crib, MTV. Today, we're still doing the headlight thing, but now we're on the other bulb, or the other headlight. Now, look, we got these 2 out. Hey, check out, show them the shit. Okay, so yeah, you gotta take off all 4 bolts. So, now that I'm skilled in the dark arts of removing headlights,
totally.
I can now do this much faster. But yeah, there's the 2 top bolts, one here in that hole, and one here, and then the side one over there, which is on the side. You'll see it.
Is it on the side?
It's on the side. Once the bumper's off, you'll see it.
You'll get him. You'll get him. The Frank video, the wheels. Man, I just want my wheelchair. You'll get it. You'll get it.
Give us an accurate detailing of what the weather's like right now.
Okay, hold up. Gotta use my last 2 brain cells for this one.
Weather lady I go.
Weather is a nice 68 degrees Fahrenheit and cloudy.
Is there a bug in my
Humidity is 52%. Wind 0 miles per hour.
Yes. Oh, look at that one. That one came off so nice. Look. So of course you're gonna wanna remove the sticker that says remove. Actually, you know what? You do that, and then yep. Yeah, boy. Boss.
Ew.
What do you mean ew? It's your pink guy.
Yeah, I know what it is. Your phone's dying.
Whoa. What's it at? 10%?
Yep.
Oh, so we're gonna cut this video short then. Alright, so yep. Next step is do what I'm doing now. You're gonna tape all these little things down. Okay, see that? Just tape them down. You're gonna tape them down so they don't get caught on anything or stuck or get pinched anywhere, and it'll help protect them too. Kinda, I don't know. Yeah, you know what they say.
Learning.
Once all those are down, yep. You're gonna separate these, get the wires, get the two blacks that are individuals from anything else and strip them, or if they're already stripped like these, then that's awesome. You just tape them together and then you twist them together and crimp them to the black on the daytime running light bulb wiring harness.
Yes.
Yes. And then you do the same thing for the white ones. Crimp those to the wiring harness as well of the daytime running light bulb.